Oh my god, look at that. Oh god. Why? There are parts of straps to the current watch. Some receipt. It's just written some Bengalis and others. Go. We don't need these things, they're adjusted. The actual product is here. Look at that beauty. It's watch of coffee color. This is a rare color, to be honest. People never seen these of colors to any. Let me see. This is my hand. Very sweaty and very fat. Let me see. Look at that. It's so cool, right? This is a rare color. Not everyone wears this, so it's looking so cool. It's exact time though. And as a branded watch, we get year warranty and guarantee of this color. If we change the color or the color is gone in a year, we can change the whole watch, we can get a brand new one. So this is I think $16 to $17, like 1,700 Bangladeshi taka. Very worth it. See ya.